Hi there, this is Miriam from InboxAlly, and in this video we're going to discuss how to check your SPF and DKIM settings using InboxAlly. So let's begin. So in order to check your SPF and DKIM settings, whether you've set it up properly or not, I'd love for you to start with watching our previous video called How to Use the Spam Checker tool, and that's mainly the tool that you're going to be using to check these two settings. So in this previous video, just click on it, go ahead and watch it. But really, basically, in this video, what we do is we go over the spam checker tool. So there is this email address that you need to send an email to, and then check your deliverability score. And that's what all these steps are for. So once you've done all these steps and sent to this randomly generated email address, you can check your deliverability score with us. I'll provide a link in the description below on where to find the email spam checker tool. But basically, here's how the report is going to look like once you click that button. So here we are inside of the report, and I've gotten a 100% score, probably because we do use this tool to send out emails and things like that. So we have our SPF set up, we already have our DKIM set up, our domain set up, email headers are set up, HTML, URL, everything is good, it passes the tests. If you would like to take a look at the detail, it shows you more detail about your SPF, more detail about your DKIM, and it shows you that you have an issue with your SPF. Your SPF record is not configured properly. And if you click on it, it says it failed this test, and you need to take a look at your SPF and make sure you have a valid SPF record set up in order to prevent spammers from sending spam from your domain. And that's it. Thank you for using InboxAlly, and we hope to see you again in another video.